and welcome to the ASU Sync Type B orientation. My name is Farah, and I'm going to be providing you with an overview of how to operate the technology for ASU Sync in the current hybrid modality. Let's begin by identifying the components of the Zoom-equipped classroom. You will notice the addition of a ceiling-mounted camera and the lapel microphone for the Type B equipped classroom. Each classroom is equipped with a remote to control the camera. With this remote, you can change the camera angle, zoom in, and zoom out. Now that we have identified the latest additions to these types of classrooms, let's start a Zoom session from this classroom. Before we begin, clean the device that you will be needing. Please utilize the cleaning supplies found inside the classroom, and don't forget to use hand sanitizer after you are done cleaning the devices and teaching lectern. It is also best practice to clean after your class has completed. Getting started with your Zoom session can be reduced down to 3 simple steps. 1, log on to your computer. 2, launch Zoom. And 3, set the correct audio and video configurations. Let's explore each steps in greater detail. Begin by logging onto your iMac or PC in the classroom. Have your cell phone nearby in order to be ready for your 2-factor authentication. While you wait to get logged in, now is a good time to turn on the audio-visual system for the classroom. For this type of classroom, you will want to select the computer input source on the touch panel. This will ensure the remote participants are heard and seen by the students in the physical classroom. Once you have successfully logged into the computer, it is now time to launch your Zoom session. There are 2 ways for this step. You can either open your preferred web browser and proceed to myasu.edu and locate the Zoom hyperlink associated with your class. The other way to launch Zoom is by opening the Zoom application by double-clicking on the icon within the desktop for a Windows machine, or by locating Zoom within the application folder on an iMac. The Zoom application window will show you upcoming Zoom meetings, or if you have a previously set meeting ID. You can click on Join to enter the number. Once the Zoom session has been initiated, it is now time to check on the audio and video settings. Let's first check out the audio configuration. The microphone option should be set to Shure P300. Please keep in mind that this microphone is primarily for sending audio to the Zoom session and not to the classroom audio-visual system for amplification. Sometimes the speaker output defaults to Shure P300, and you will want to ensure that the speaker output is set correctly. The speaker option to select will either be headphones or Extron. This will depend on current technology in the classroom audio-visual system. Now, navigate to the video source options within Zoom. The correct source to select is the Polycom camera option. This will bring up the video feed from the ceiling-mounted camera. With the audio and video set correctly for this Zoom session, it is now time to bring up any shared content required for class. Near the lower middle portion of the Zoom window, you will see a Share Screen button. Select this and proceed to identify which window or file to share. With the audio, video, and content shared, it is now time for class to begin. We will go over class and session tips. A couple of things to keep in mind with these classrooms are the limitations of sending audio out from the classroom and sharing content. ASU Sync Type B classrooms only have 1 lapel microphone for the instructor to use. With this, any comments or questions from the students in the classroom will have to be repeated by the instructor so that the remote participants can hear what was said. A trick to this kind of scenario is to utilize a Zoom chat feature where anyone can participate in dialogue during the class session. Or if a Slack channel was made for the class, this too can be used as another form of communication. Another thing to keep in mind is the aspect of screen sharing with presenter view mode within PowerPoint. It may be best not to have this mode utilized, as it would not reflect what is being seen on the projector screen with what is being shown to the Zoom participants. To work around this, you may want to have your slide deck in full screen so that what is being seen in class is the same as what is being shared to the Zoom participants. In addition, when sharing a video through Zoom, make sure to check both boxes on the lower left-hand corner labeled as Share Computer Sound and Optimize Screen Sharing for Video Clip. When your class is over, all you have to do is navigate towards the lower right-hand corner of the Zoom window on the iMac or PC and press Leave Meeting. Bye! Then turn off the microphone and return back to the charging station. Wipe down the devices used and surface area of the teaching lectern before leaving. And this concludes our demonstration of the ASU Sync Type B classrooms. Woo! So we hope this tutorial provides you with the necessary information to conduct a hybrid class. If you would like to schedule a one-on-one orientation, please create a ticket using Service Catalog and search Request Classroom Support. If you may require immediate support for your class, please call the Experience Center at 855-278-5082. Thank you.